Hi, this is ZTE Blade A53 Pro and I'll show you how to turn on Always On Display option on this device. So first, open the Play Store application because we should get the the Muviz Edge application from the Play Store. That's why in the search bar enter the Muviz Edge app, and after that just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. So then just tap to open the app, click to draw over apps, and find here Muviz Edge application. Click on the switcher and go back. Switch Edge lights to the A or Z and select one from the available tabs here. Then just tap to apply, and now let's just lock the device. So we could see that we just successfully activated the AD option. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.